Okay, this morning I've got my gloves, my water, and my boots. We're headed over to Main Beach to do a much needed beach cleanup. So unfortunately, my big takeaway from this is that I really need to be more aware of what I'm buying and how it's packaged, because the majority of this stuff is not like big pieces. All of this is little tiny pieces of styrofoam, which has a huge impact. So, note to self, be more conscious. Another common thing that we are finding out here today is needles. So, I guess that's a problem for another day, one step at a time. That's a wrap. What a great way to spend the morning. We picked up a lot of trash, but there is so much more. And hopefully this Thursday's atmospheric river is not going to bring a bunch more trash and damage. So hang tight, everybody. And if your neighborhood was directly impacted and you're not getting any help, comment below or send me a message. I'd love to find a way that we can help. We've got shovels, gloves, and a good attitude. So we'll help if we can.